What's going on, everybody? David here, coming to you from an undisclosed location in Southern California. Take a look at this view here. So yes, that is the water out there. And just on a little hike here, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the video I posted yesterday. So I posted a video yesterday just talking about the calendar, and I got a lot of people responding, upset that it's going to be late March, and that's the earliest. I mean, we're not late March. That was my calculation just based on the information that we have right now. But that's not what I want to talk about today. I actually want to talk about the fact that there are other opportunities out here to make money. And I know about 2 weeks ago I posted a video just giving you guys different ideas of how you can make money and how you can get to a situation where this stimulus check is not a big deal. Yes, it's great if you get a stimulus check, but it's not a big deal. And so I want to talk a little bit about that today, and I want to tell you guys a story. But first off, you guys can do me a favor, please hit the like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell notification, that way you'll get notified anytime we put out a video. Okay, so 5 years ago, I started selling things on eBay. And it's funny because I never even thought about selling anything online, but I had an opportunity because I had a bunch of stuff at my house that I wanted to sell, and I didn't know really how to go about it. I could have gone on Craigslist and put it on different places. At that time they didn't have OfferUp, but I decided, you know what, let's see what eBay's all about. And so I did. Got on eBay, sold a couple of things, and then I started doing searches on eBay. And I started to realize that people buy a lot of different things on eBay. And so I started looking in my closets, realized I had all this other stuff, clothes. People buy clothes on eBay, believe it or not. Jeans are a hot item on eBay. Anything that's like Disney related, those things are real popular sellers on eBay. And so I started selling that stuff little by little. And so I started with no money at all. I didn't have to put anything into it. These are things that I already had, and I was just selling them on eBay. And so the reason that I'm telling you this story is because you could be in a situation where you don't have any money and you're struggling, but I can guarantee you have things in your house right now that you've looked at over time and said, man, I have to get rid of this, or man, I have to get rid of that. Sell it on eBay. And when it comes to eBay selling, a lot of situations you don't even have to leave your house. You can package everything in your house. You can, if you need to, go to the post office, get priority shipping boxes. They don't cost you anything, and you can use those to ship your products. So there's a way to make a little bit of money on the side. Now, you're not going to get rich on eBay unless you have a big storefront and you're selling a lot of products, but you will be able to make a little bit of money on the side. And that's one of the messages that I want to give off when it comes to not just getting a stimulus check, but how do I put myself in a situation where I can make money every month and not have to worry about the fact that the federal government is dragging their feet. You don't have to worry about that because you have income coming in from different sources. And when it comes to eBay, let's say you sell all the stuff that you have in your house. You don't have anything else to sell. Guess what? You now know how to sell on eBay. That's a valuable tool. That's a valuable skill set. That's something where you can go to a family member, go to a friend, say, hey, do you have anything that you want to sell? I'll put it up on eBay and we can split the profits, or you can give me a percentage. Now you're not using any of your own money, and you already know how to sell things on eBay because you've done it before. So you can do that. Or you can go to a Goodwill. You can go to a Salvation Army. And guess what? You can buy products there and sell them on eBay. You buy pairs of jeans. Jeans are hot items on eBay. You can sell those. You can also look for those items like I was talking about, Disney items. Those things are popular. People really like Disney. They like Mickey Mouse. They want to be able to buy that product. And so you can sell that as well. So there's so many different ways that you can sell on eBay. And to go even a step further, you can go on Craigslist. Craigslist has a section for just things that people are giving away for free. You can go on Craigslist, find those products that they're giving away for free, go pick them up and flip them on eBay. And people do this. So there are opportunities out there to make a little extra money during this time right now, during this time where people are waiting. And then hopefully you'll be put in a situation where you realize how easy it is, and then you start doing that every month, making a little bit extra money. If it's $200 or $300, it's still something. And so that's what I wanted to talk about today, because I know I had a lot of people in the comment section yesterday really frustrated with how slow this is going. But there are other opportunities. So that's all I have for you guys today. But I want to know in the comment section, what do you guys have in your house that you could sell tomorrow? Let me know down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.